Welcome to the channel with no catchphrase. Now, what I'm doing at the moment with my friend Tommy is we are unloading my new 1997 CBR900RR-V from the back of his van. Now, I bought this bike for the tidy little sum of £400. It's non-running, it hasn't started in over 3 years and hasn't really been on the road or MOT'd since 2016. No experience in restoration or restoring a bike back to roadworthy condition, but me and my friend Pete together we're going to give it a go. So stick around and let's see if we can get it on the road. So job number one is we're going to just pull these apart and have a look. First of all, what's in there, I think, more than anything. So first thing we're going to do is just check that the slides, are they called slides? Yeah. Come up and come down on their own. That one looks not too bad. Yeah. It's coming back down, it's not sticking. And there we go. By the way, I went to my mum and dad's. Say hello, Dad.
Hello.
Next off is to see the state with the bowls. There's a dead hamster in there, Dad. It's not giving up its secrets easy, is it? There we go. Yeah, it's not exactly clean. That is gunky. So we're just checking the needles to see if they're gunked up or anything. Chance to look in there. There's a bit of muck in there.
Probably old petrol and stuff.
Yeah. So the funny rusty one in there was actually clean, and the needle was spotless. So I think just see what happens when we look at in the bowls, but it might not be anything as drastic as I was expecting. So, should you be able to see through these? We tried to push a mini needle through and it doesn't go. So we're not sure. Does that mean that's blocked? This one's good. We haven't taken out the main bit there, and we're not quite sure about that. So a bit more research is needed. But I'm thinking that this is blocked. So today's little job is I've got these new jets I ordered from Wemoto. Now these were, let's have a look if you can see. Now these were extremely blocked, the originals. Oh, you can't see that. There you go, a bit better. Anyway, they were blocked. Couldn't really clean them out. I could have possibly put a lot of work into it. But somebody suggested new jets from Wemoto. So, let's pop them in, shall we? So these are the blocked jets. So now these weren't put in any particular way, as in quarter turn in, quarter turn out, which I'm sure the others will need to be done, but that's a studying process, and obviously things like balancing the carbs and that sort of thing. And what I'm going to do is make sure I keep the original jets in case there's any problems with these. And they're from Wemoto, which is a very famous company, but you know, always good
Be careful. Keep the originals, because of course the originals can eventually be cleaned out.
So I'll tell you what Pete's doing right now. Look at the crap under there.
That's all I'm doing.
But yes, I mean all the cleaning is going to be obviously secondary. But right now we removed the belly pan so that we can get off
Wheel filter.
the filter. Careful something doesn't bite you, Pete.
Oh yeah, well I found one of them already.
There's living creatures still in there.
We had a spider in there earlier. God almighty!
Oh, you moved the whole bike.
Stupid something. Yeah, I think that's winding out right. There we go. Get the fingers in. Pinch the gloves. We know it's going to be messy. And this is where you normally drop the oil.
Of course.
Plug in the bucket of oil. But there we go. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Saved it. We can even freshen it out with a bit of oil. Look, how's that? There she blows. That's it. Oh, that's more. Well, that's definitely going to be loose now. Oh, come on. Get my screwdriver back. God, you think it'd come out easy with covered in oil? No.
This bike is not giving up its secrets easily.
Ta-da! 204, that's the kitty. I'll have to do the same on my bike soon.
And then bang a screwdriver through it to tighten it up.
Yeah, that's it. Right, that's all. That's what it needs to be. Don't need to be that tight.
So what's happening now is going to remove these.
Put a rag into it. Picture of the rag bag.
There's a gerbil in here. Pass us a couple of spanners. I need to take off this here. Well, a little update for where we are now. So as you can see, we've got these on here. We're ready. We just need to remember how these route. So Pete will look at his Fireblade tomorrow. Then it will be Carbs Back on. They're in that bag there with the new jets. Ooh. And of course,
New battery.
new battery. We shall go there.
I'm kerfuffled by the fact that you don't know how electricity flows from one point to the other, and if you happen to be the thing that completes that circuit, well, the electricity will flow through you. But they never taught you that. And here we are, watching you do it for all the world to see.
Could turn over technically a little bit. We have light, so we could. Oh, no, we've still got our sticky problem, haven't we?
What I said before.
But anyway. Yeah, doesn't have power, so that's all right. Oh, hang on. Yeah, we're on runs. That would. Oh, there you go. Ah, there we go. Woo.
Careful.
Yeah, we'll blow them out, but just a crank now, which is interesting. That's better.
Look at that. But luckily, I have a new genuine Honda one. Let's clean this out first of all. Yeah. So there we go. And then this will go back on. I'm holding the phone, so let's see if I can manage it. Okay, well, as you can see, it goes on there. Look at that. Yeah. So that's that, isn't it? So we've got like that.
That's a jar as well.
So the choke cable is going through here. So, for purpose of the video, the choke cable is going to go on. It's resting at the moment. Let's see, we connect up to there. Then we're going to at some point borrow a hairdryer and supple up these rubbers and get them on. Pete, give him an explanation. Why have you just spent an hour?
Well, we just spent an hour trying to
Well, actually, so what happened is when we got the top one in nicely through there, and then the bottom one was too short. We just couldn't lengthen it to get it under there and fix into this bit here. So we undid it from there, put the bottom one in, closed it back up, and now we put the top one back in. It's taken us about, was it 17 hours?
Yeah, feels like it.
Right, okay. Yep.
Much better.
Much better.
It didn't do that at all before.
No. Although I think it was a combination of lubing up those springs.
Messed up of
cable
that we found of the old ones as well, wasn't it? So.
Yep. Okay. Right. So here we go then.
I think we're sort of in line.
Yep, we are in line.
Wiggle. Yeah, that looks like it's working to a degree.
Yep. And I can see under here. Let's look at the bottom.
It did look good for a minute.
Yeah, they're not perfect. They need to go down more.
Yeah. Oh. No, might have been it. I think we're there. Right. I do believe. Oh yes. Yeah, we're in. There's a little bit of wiggle, but then we haven't got the clamp.
We haven't tightened up the
yet,
clamps
so
yet, no.
I think. Oh no, hang on. I can see a bit more down there, so we're not quite on.
Did you want to give that one a tap?
Yeah, I think that end might need a bit of a. Let's have a look down here.
Gentle persuasion.
It's so close. So we do now is. Okay. Do the other two on the other side. Have you done this one here? Do you want to make sure that was right?
I've done those two.
Okay.
On this
so
side.
I'll try the other side. Okay.
Yeah.
Fun and games doing them.
Yes.
Bit woody.
Do not bend the torch.
It's blooming handy. It's
good, yeah.
I think we struggled getting this bugger off last time, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
We managed to.
So this is what's going on next. Got a new solenoid. Starter solenoid.
Oh, it's got nice new screws in there, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's got nicely screws
as
in
well.
Because whilst this one probably works,
it's
it's
very,
very corroded.
So we're a little dubious. Clean up the terminals. Remove a few cobwebs. This was still. Nicely around there. Ooh, doesn't that look pretty?
It does, doesn't it?
Yes.
There's the old one.
There's the old one.
Yeah.
Nice and green and horrible. bits. Oh yeah, there you go, that's better. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's more aligned. Okay, so on there.
These just stay like this, do they?
Yeah, that's where it sucks the air
Just
up
sucks
from.
air in, yeah.
With this one,
Quite proud of that.
I'll stick him in there. That's that one. That's that one. Oh yeah, I've got sockets down there. Let's do that job. So hopefully.
So our fuel tank that we're going to be using has got a bit of a leak, and the Jubilee clip broke instantly. But
that might have got it, you know.
we linked up.
I've still got a small leak, but hey ho, it's a small leak.
Hey ho, yeah.
Right, okay. So, fingers crossed.
You're going to hold
I'm
them
going to
to
do
do it?
a quick release version of the
Yeah.
terminal on here today.
Okay.
That's on.
Shall I put the choke on?
Pull the choke out. Right, okay. He's thinking about it.
He's definitely thinking about it.
Right, leave that choke off for a minute now.
Yeah.
Leave the ignition on, but leave the choke off.
Ooh.
Rabbit's one. Let's go get the float. So that does work.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Oh, go.
Close.
It's off in again. Oh, she's cold.
It's done, yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna open the shed. Yeah. I'm getting steam coming off the exhaust because I've got the oil on it from the other day. Yeah. Have we got a lot of WD-40 burning off? Yeah, so it's the oil when I've done the oil change, that's what it's like from the front end. We didn't check the coolant though.
Oh, bugger.
Where's the smoke coming from?
We've got smoke from the front end. The oil change, I've got oil on the exhaust.
so the tick over might be too low. Right, tick over one here. Yeah. Is that screw thread down there? Yeah, a little black plastic. So turn that up. Turn it one way or the other. You'll find out when it comes to holding the throttle, just so it just ticks over in a minute. Think that way.
Doesn't seem to do anything. As in, like, it just goes and comes back. It's not actually.
Hey, you're going to have to take some of that smoke out.
Yeah. Well, we'll cool that down for now, but that's all right.
Yeah.
But, phew.
Right. Okay, we'll let the smoke out.
We have. Oh, shit, we haven't sorted out the tick over though.
Yeah, we got the tick of a thing's not working at the moment, but
The tick over bit, but that's minor detail.
it works.